Hello and welcome to Algorithm Integrity Matters. Insights for financial services leaders who want to enhance fairness and accuracy in their use of data, algorithms, and AI. I'm your host, Yusuf Mullah. This article was published in January 2025. It's titled AI Risk Training, Role-Based Tailoring. And the background to this is we spoke about AI literacy or education and awareness in a previous article. And so we touched on the importance of algorithm/AI awareness in education in article 18. So you go to the episode that was published in December, article 18, algorithm integrity, training and awareness. And so this is a follow-up to that, talking about how AI literacy is growing in importance. So for example, the EU AI Act and the International Association of Insurance Supervisors. But AI literacy needs will vary across roles, and even AI professionals need AI risk training. So that's the short discussion in this article. Here we go. Growing expectations. Article 4 of the EU AI Act is dedicated to AI literacy. In a recent podcast episode, so that was the first guest episode, Ryan Carrier, founder of For Humanity, explained two important things to note about this article. Number one, most of the provisions of the Act come into force in August 2025, with others in 2026 or later. But AI literacy requirements will start to apply on the 2nd of Feb 2025. Second important things to note, most of the provisions of the Act focus on high-risk AI systems, but the AI literacy requirements, so again, that's Article 4, those requirements apply to all AI systems. Then we have the International Association of Insurance Supervisors, who are developing a guidance paper on the supervision of AI, and we'll put a link to that in the notes. And the draft version of that guidance paper contains various references to education, training, and awareness. And so this is an important topic. Tailoring it to the audience. To be effective, AI literacy efforts need to be tailored to the audience. What the data scientists need to be aware of is quite different to what most employees need to know. So the training will need to be differentiated. In that same podcast episode where we spoke to Ryan Carrier, he explained one way to solve for this. For Humanity has developed distinct personas, and they look something like this. They're not an exact terminology in use here, but something along these lines. So we've got 5 AI leaders, and then top management and oversight bodies, employees working with the AI system, all other employees, and then AI subjects. These personas represent different levels of interaction with those AI systems and then corresponding literacy needs. Let's explore each of the personas, noting that some of these may look different for you depending on your jurisdiction, the types of systems you're implementing, etc. The first one was AI leaders. So AI leaders typically include AI project managers, data scientists, and machine learning engineers. Their responsibilities include developing and implementing AI models for credit scoring, fraud detection, and risk assessment, and others, and staying updated on the latest AI technologies and their potential applications in financial services. The challenge is that this group is often neglected in terms of risk-focused training, possibly because it is assumed that they are already aware, which is often not the case. We've seen some data science professionals that are very technical focused, so you may come across models that are accurate but still exhibit bias. Second persona being top management and oversight bodies, and this group includes C-suite executives, board members, and senior managers. Their AI literacy needs include understanding the strategic implications of AI in financial services, overseeing AI governance and risk management frameworks, and making informed decisions about AI investments and implementation. The challenge with this group is that they might be responsible for ensuring AI literacy, so the level of literacy across the organization may cascade from there. The third group are employees working with the AI system, so frontline staff and middle managers who directly interact with AI systems. In banking and insurance, this could include customer service representatives using AI-powered support systems, or fraud risk analysts using the outputs of machine learning triage systems as examples. Their AI literacy needs may include understanding how AI impacts their daily work and decision-making processes, recognizing potential biases or errors in AI outputs, effectively checking outputs before using them to communicate with customers. The fourth group are all other employees, so these are staff who may not directly work with algorithms, but need a basic understanding of the impact of those algorithms. And then AI subjects, so these are customers and end users largely. Their literacy needs will depend on the nature of the systems that are used. It's not a one-size-fits-all concept. Each group has unique needs and responsibilities when it comes to understanding and interacting with AI systems or algorithmic systems. Even AI people need AI literacy training or risk training. This is especially important to broaden awareness of risks and balance out a purely technical focus. By tailoring AI literacy efforts to these distinct personas, banks and insurance companies can ensure that all stakeholders have the appropriate level of understanding. That's the end of that article. Thanks for listening.